Hey, Mrs. Bodine, what do you think? All Honda here. Let's walk back and see some Harley stuff. Here's some Indians. Let's go see this. Is that for the ladies? You're good with that?
Awesome.
Oh, all right.
I still like my hat better. My helmet.
You like your hat?
My helmet.
I like your hat too. It's a pretty color. I don't know if I could do that color. Could you do that color?
No, I don't like that color.
No? Alright. Little Yamaha. What in the heck is this? No judging, but if you're on my channel, don't get that. Alright, let's walk through this way, darling. Not exactly sure what's going on here. The 1913 Hell Cycle. Wow. I don't know, guys. Not for me. What do you think? One of the things that's cool at this event is there's contests with people that are doing builds. Kind of nice. Check out this one though. What quality is that? It's beautiful, isn't it?
Very.
That's my battery. Oil change battery.
Looks like we're in Harley Town now. $1,200. I don't know about that color. Is that color working for you? Yeah? I think there's some live wires here.
You told me about that.
Let's go find them. 2020 Heritage for all those Heritage guys. Pretty sweet, about 20K. And of course, all the live wires. Let's see, folks. What do you think? Here they are, the live wires. Just in time. Guys, I just can't do it. Little Hondas. Oh wait, that's not a Honda. Sorry. Not judging. Wow. Look at this. Honda Fireblade. That is a sharp looking bike that I would kill myself on. I'd kill myself on that bike. Hey folks, I see a superstar. We see a superstar standing over here looking at helmets, the showy helmets. That would be the PA Bearded Biker. We don't want to interrupt, but you see a star, right? I don't think that's your color. How you doing, brother?
How you doing, man?
Good to see you.
Nice to see you too. You never know who you're going to meet.
Exactly.
How you doing?
Good. This is my wife, Donna.
Yep.
Oh, did we guys meet?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
From all the videos.
I'm Bonnie.
I feel like
I feel like I know you. I cannot get used to those modular helmets. A lot of people love them. I just can't get used to them.
You can't drink or anything with the regular.
That's a good point. I had that problem. I'm going to invent some sort of straw that I can,
That's a good idea.
So, hey, nice to meet you. I'll see you around, man.
Hey, yeah.
Good catching up.
I saw this shark.
Hey, man. Bodine. Oh, how are you? I am, and this is the Mrs.
Very nice to meet you.
How are you?
I watched your video last night.
They're taped like 3 weeks ago. We got like 6 inches of snow.
Very, very nice. Very nice. Are you guys
Never know who you're going to meet at these things.
No. Hey. Hey, look, Flo's here, Mrs. Bodine. Flo's here. You guys know Flo? They got the greatest commercials. Hey, I got to tell you something. My, not sponsored by Progressive or Flo, by the way, but when I moved to Michigan, the car insurance rates are ridiculous. So the motorcycle rates were ridiculous. And I went and saw Flo, and now both my motorcycles are covered by them, a third of the price. So if you think you're paying too much, check them out. You can do it online. They're like, trust us, you won't fall off. Wait, if I could zoom in on her face right now, she'd be like, I trust you, I think. All right, now she's smiling. That's me. I wonder if I can get Big Mama up on one wheel. Pretty sweet. Electric.
Doing great. Doing good.
Folks, this is Mr. McStache live, teaching me up on his GoPro and GoPro battery. Turn that around. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I gotta get one of those. And look at the shirts. He's representing.
Yeah.
Good to see you, brother.
Check this out.
And our beautiful women, Mrs. McStache,
Oh my goodness! Look at all three of them together.
Mrs. HDR, and Mrs. Bodine conspiring against us and hoping that we walk fast.
We're probably in trouble.
And we're in trouble. Yeah, I had a big wheel. Oh, not that one. Wow. $1,400. That's pretty sweet, isn't it? What do you think? Can you buy me one of those?
Sure.
Thanks.
You're right on your side.
No. That's your husband's stuff. Folks, we are with HDR and Mrs. HDR, and we're discussing, are fanny packs appropriate for men?
Koala bag.
Koala bag.
It's not bad.
I think that's some sort of firearm because it's right next to the holster. Koala. And koala, by the way, we HDR.
You were right there on your lap. You get matching ones.
That is nice. How do you get in a paddle boat with those? Oh, those are really nice. That's cute.
You can even wear it in the front.
Can tell where the HDRs and the Bodines are together, can't you?
Protection.
It's the best little bag on the planet.
Yes. Sponsored by. By the way, if you are looking for a sponsor, HDR is up for grabs on this one. Me, not so much. So show us your bag again. Your cola bags. Pretty cool, right? It's not a fanny pack, which I'm against. But what can you put in it?
So you can put
Firearms. A phone. Man, those are pretty cool. Check them out, folks. That right there. Mrs. HDR, Mrs. Bodine 52, and the man, HarleyDayRider.
I'm filming you, filming me.
Hey, and I'm filming you, filming me.
Now we're just filming everything together.
Are fanny packs wrong for guys? Can we talk? Are fanny packs wrong for guys? I say they are.
It wasn't a fanny pack. It was a glorified holster.
Okay, that's fair.
That's what it was. It was a holster.
Where are we? Hi, this is Bodine talking and doing an interview with HarleyDayRider, Harley Davidson Dayrider, and it says, what is this, HDR?
Those are pretty high handlebars.
What's that?
Those are pretty high handlebars.
They're pretty nice, aren't they? So this is the new Indian, right? But see how your arms are straight? That's kind of how mine are. It makes a big difference in your shoulders and riding. I think that fits you, man. I'm not sure what's going on here, but you have to be really short. Some really cool custom stuff. Very nice. Like it.
That's an ascot go.
Raw iron choppers. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of talented people building bikes. Hondas. What's this big old white thing? Goldwing. That is a Goldwing, and that is HarleyDayRider right here. They go. This is HDR. HDR and the Mrs. Come on, let's see you get down there. Come on. Here it is, folks. You have seen it here first. Here, hold this.
I like the big pedal.
Jack and Mary. Doesn't feel comfy? So is it Honda or Harley? What's it gonna be? Are we trading the Harley today for this Honda or not? Yes, okay.
We're not.
We're not?
No.
She says you're not, you're not.
Wouldn't that be nice?
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our next athlete coming out of Billings, Montana. Put your hands together. Make some noise for Rob Carpenter. You guys get the roll. They're going to feed off their energy. So, you want a great show? All you have to do is yell and scream and pretend like you're having a good time. Don't forget, in this tiny little circle of all of us right now, we're the only ones working. So I want to make sure you guys are having a good time. We're hanging out. We're talking motorcycles and we're riding wheelies, and it's meant to be fun. So Cleveland, do me a favor. Put your hands together. Let's make some noise right now, because Bill Ramsey's going to start us off on the evolution of the Billy. Bill already flying a little down the floor, and he's at the little kicks. He got just a screaming. Kyle Snyder coming back, sit down. Rob's going to take off this time. Look at that. He's cranking the bars. You can see that headlight on the ceiling as he makes his way down to the floor. That's going to bring big sexy back. Check that out. Now when you see those hands in the air, that means you put yours together, you make some noise. Just like that. Kyle Snyder running around everywhere. There comes Rob. Harley Davidson Roadster straight up.
Good show.
It was awesome. It was
That's pretty-
awesome seeing HDR and Mrs. HDR. I got ready to say your whole real names.
All right, hey, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
What should they do?
Drive safe. Hug your loved ones.
All right, folks, this is Mr. and Mrs. Bodine checking out from the Progressive Bike Show 2020 in Cleveland, Ohio. Be safe.